Alrighty, so this is a situation I got going on here. This is a bunch of crap brushes. This is the box that I'm gonna put everything in. And yeah, this is pretty much my whole makeup area is completely destroyed. I'll show you what I got going on here. Like, look at this. Like, this all is just a mess, and I'm tired of holding on to old makeup and old stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty, guys. I really gotta let go of these lipsticks. A lot of these lipsticks are so expired. These are my first MAC lipsticks ever. I never really use them. I only use maybe a couple of them. But we're about to go through nostalgic days here, so bear with me while I cry a little. This one is MAC Girl About Town. Girl, look at this pink. Oh my god, this is so old. Oh my god, my nail, could you please? This one is Retro. Ooh. Man, I used to love this lipstick. It's such a pretty color, but yeah, it's old and retired, like me. Goodbye. This one's MAC Mocha. You guys, this lipstick here was my everyday work lipstick. There's something about the tone of this lipstick. There's one MAC lipstick I'm gonna keep, it's this one. This one is Whirl. This is like a brownie. Ugh, like I never. This one is MAC Russian Red. Oh my, this was like my first Taylor Swift concert lipstick, and yeah, there's no lasting power here. This thing will smear the hell out of your mouth. So goodbye. I have so many other red lipsticks. This one is MAC Ravishing. Oh my gosh, you guys, this was like when I first started makeup back when I was like 18. I don't do these kind of peachy colors anymore. That was a phase. Goodbye. MAC Hang Up. Really beautiful for fall. And I really truly enjoy this one, so I still do wear this mostly in the fall time, so I am gonna keep that one. Okay, these Rimmel London lipsticks, the lasting power of these is just non-existent. So yeah, I am gonna get rid of that one. And I am gonna also get rid of the red one because I just have so many red lipsticks that are so much better. These just don't last long, honestly. This lipstick, the packaging from Kat Von D is stunning. I've only used this lipstick once, and it's so incredibly drying. Like, look at this, you guys. Like, ugh. Oh my gosh, this lipstick here. Oh my god. One of my first lipsticks it's like the peachy one, and I used to wear this all the time. Look at this. This is so expired. I've had it since I was like 19 years old. Oh my gosh. This is called NARS Niagara. Wow, goodbye. Only keeping these two. This is a new one, Merit Beauty. This one I am gonna keep. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. And then this one is actually a gift that was gifted to me years ago. I forgot, it was somebody in hotels. I don't know, a guest that used to come. You know what, I could totally use this. Gotta use it more often. Okay, this one here, it's a no-go from Becca. This is like one of those mini lipsticks, and I just feel like the lasting power is just like too creamy, too glossy. I don't know. This one I don't use, so I'm gonna throw it out. This lipstick is a keeper. I mean, I know this is expired, but I literally love this lipstick so much. It is absolutely my favorite matte red lipstick. It stays on all day. I've talked about this so many times in my videos, so I am gonna keep this one. The Maybelline Matte Ink in Brown Groundbreaker, I think. I love ABH lipstick, so I am gonna keep this one. This one's such a beautiful ABH lipstick. I'm gonna keep that one. This one I am not gonna keep. This is also from ABH, but girl, who uses this anymore? And it's just too sticky and too glossy, so I'm gonna throw that one out. I have two of these. Like, I don't know if I should keep them. This is more of a berry one. I'm gonna get rid of those. This one, definitely gonna get rid of this one. This one's from BH Cosmetics. Like a baby doll pink. Like, who uses that? I mean, there's, you know, people do use those, but I'm not into that pink. Like, look at that. It's just like too pinky rose. I don't know. It's weird. I used to use this literally every day whenever I would go and run and do my errands. Yeah, I have better ones, so I'm throwing this one out. I never wear this red because I feel like I have so many other reds. I'm gonna keep it just to keep it. Rare Beauty, I am absolutely keeping. It's another one of those Super Stay Mac ink lipsticks that I thought I would love, and I just do not like the tone of the color. you know what? I'm gonna keep it just because I gotta start using it more often. So I am gonna keep that one. This one I absolutely love. This is another one. This is a Maybelline in the color Ruler. It's those beautiful mauvey rosy colors. So I am gonna keep that one because I really love this line of lipstick from Maybelline. Absolutely keeping. I love this color so much. I haven't found a lipstick with this color. This is the Gingerbread Man or something from Too Faced, and I just love this beautiful color. We're gonna be moving on to foundation next. In here, we're just gonna go and declutter everything that we just don't use anymore. So let's get to it. So got pads, got all these kinds of things. So this is a mixture of everything, and this is just driving me crazy, like completely. This is another one here, Dossier. I have to try it out. I haven't tried out this perfume yet, so I will be doing a review on that one. This is stuff that's like stuff that I haven't tried out. This is something too I wanted to give away. It's a bath bomb. Keep that there. This I just did a video on. These are the Glamnetic Lashes. This, I don't know why I have two of these. I'll just keep one nail filer. This is Goopy Old. This I'm gonna keep. I really love this gel color. This pink one, absolutely no. Does this even work? This is so old, gone. These two black ones. Black is literally my favorite color ever, so I'm gonna keep those two. This is too old. Literally my favorite, most beautiful color for the nails. So pretty. Love this color. Keep that. Absolutely no. This is so old. Gone. I do love this blue color so much, so I am going to keep this one. It was on sale. I did get rid of some powders. So my setting powders, I'm only keeping the e.l.f. Halo Glow and the Flower Beauty powder. Some of these Wet n Wild little duos with the e.l.f. I'm keeping that. And of course, this is something new. I've been wanting to try the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Base. I am keeping, you know, just Makeup by Mario bronzers. And yeah, this is pretty much kind of the things that I've reorganized. These are my foundations that I am gonna keep. This is old as junk, but I know this is expired, but I really love this foundation and I want to use it up. And of course, my favorite all-time foundation ever. I have two of these actually. And then this here, these are my primers. There's a lot of these primers that I don't like, but I want to keep because I want to try them more often, like this Jelly Pop Hydrating Grip. This one from Milk, I want to try out more. This one I've been really enjoying. This is the Catrice one. This Rare Beauty one, I never use it because it's just too glowy, but I really want to start using it more often, so I am going to keep those. This one I've been using as my everyday setting spray, so I got this one, MAC, you know, Prep and Prime. And then I kept some of the stuff that I haven't opened yet here in the back. Contour palette down there, a few lashes, and then this is pretty much it for this drawer. I've reorganized it all. I'm gonna be decluttering my mascara drawer because God knows I need that to be decluttered. These are new, they're samples I'm keeping. This one's like used up, I'm throwing out. This one's all right. Yeah, I'm throwing this out, I already used it up. Benefits, they're real. I'm gonna use this one more often. Oh my God, I absolutely love this one from Rare Beauty. It still has a little bit left on there. I am gonna use it. Oh my gosh, this one here, you guys. This one from Benefit, Bad Gal, is freaking probably the best mascara I've ever used. So I really love that one. Oh, this one's from It Cosmetics. I feel like maybe I haven't used, oh no, it still has some in there to use. I will use that one. This is from Lancome, like this, like primer for lashes. Oh girl, this is just expired. Ugh. This one here, I love this. I've repurchased it twice already. This one is from Pacifica. It's a vegan mascara. Let's see if it has any. Oh yeah, this has some there. I'll keep it. The Perversion Mascara, I love this one. It has some in there. I'll still use it. I'll keep it. This one, oh my gosh, this is from Kat Von D, I think. Go Big or Go Home. Look at the packaging, you guys. I haven't used this one yet. Ooh, I have to use this one, so I am gonna keep it. This I'm throwing out, Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, old. Absolutely keeping to the very end. This is from Rare Beauty. This is the liquid liner for the eyes. I love this. It's like a pen. I love it. ABH, always keeping these until I use them up. Let me see if I have any left. Yep, brand new, keeping that. NARS, I just don't use that, so I am gonna throw it out. This here, I don't even know what this is. Oh, a brow stroke, a feather brow pen. I haven't used this yet. This is from Ardell. I'll try it out. Oh, this is the Breakup Proof Wet n Wild liner. See if this is, okay, this is still new. I'll keep this. This is the Breakup Proof from Wet n Wild. I still use this. It is kind of expired, but I will keep using it. This is from MAC. I've actually used this a couple times. It scares the hell out of me. Like, look at the hell, look, doesn't this scare the crap out of you? I can't do it. This, absolutely no garbage, throwing it out. This is Huda Beauty, like the double-ended. I can't do with it. Elf. This is so old. The H2O, done. And I love this. This I am keeping always. I bought like 3 of these. So that's it, keeping that. Guys, this, Born This Way, I love it, but this is expired the hell, done. And it's too white, look at this. This is way too light for my skin, no. This, love it, too white, old. Can never get enough of this concealer. Ugh, but it's expired. Oh my God, no, done. Love the Kylie Skin, I will keep using this. Old and expired. These are the Benefit Boi Concealers. I will still use these. I absolutely love them. I haven't used them as much, so I will keep using those. This is good. I'll keep using this. A little bit expired, but I'll keep using this L'Oreal one. Too thick for me. Done. Love this Catrice one. It's so natural and nice. I will keep that one. My concealer drawer. That's it. Done. Done. Burt's Bees. Keeping that. Love that. Milani, I absolutely love this bronzer. This I've been using lately, this Milani blush. I absolutely love it. City bronzer, of course, keeper. No, it's expired, but we'll keep it. At one point was my everyday blush, and I will keep it just because it's such a pretty color and it's tart and it's not cheap. I will keep this CoverGirl True Blend. I really like this one. This is the ABH Cream Bronzer. Love that one. A little too warm tone for me, but I'll still keep it because I really like it. It's broken as hell. This one is just does nothing for me. I'm trashing it. This was one of my favorite blushes from CoverGirl. I am keeping this. This one is a no-go for me. Sorry, MAC. I love you so much, but you are expired as hell. This one I will keep from Milani because I really enjoy this one, so I'm gonna try to use it more often. Buxom, oh my gosh, I love the Buxom one. I love this blush so much. This is new, so I will keep that one. This is the Milani one I used to use way back in the day. The Romantic Rose one. I do love this one, so I will keep it. And of course, who doesn't love Luminoso? This is expired though. I will keep it though, just because I really like it. This Makeup Geek blush, I never reach for it, but it's so pretty, so I will keep it for the springtime. Of course, Wet n Wild. This one is Mellow Wine. I love this one, so I'll keep that one. Blushes, keeping that. And these are my bronzers. I don't have that many bronzers. Of course, this highlight is pretty new, so I will absolutely keep that. Much keeping all my highlights, to be honest. These Master Chrome highlights, I love them so much, so I will keep them. Cookie, obviously. Highlight broke years ago, and I tried to like put it back together. This is a Jekyll Hill Champagne Pop. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this because this is like, oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Oh my God. But this is old. Let's remove. This I absolutely love. I will keep that. And of course, this is my favorite highlight ever from the drugstore. This is from Wet n Wild. I love it, the Halo Glow. These are some nasty as hell sponges. Crazy. This I'm throwing out. I don't need this, and I never use that. This one is already used up as hell. So, and I have 2 of these. So I will keep those 2. This one's old. This one is old as hell. I have a new one here anyway, so this one's new. This is old also. So I will keep these. And this one I never use. All right, guys. This is all the stuff I'm throwing out. And this is the final look. That was longer than I expected. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy these types of vlog videos. If you do, please give the video a like and comment down below anything you want. I will see you in my next video.